Every day, millions of small, colorful delights are born inside this factory. Perfectly baked, beautifully decorated muffin cupcakes. Here, sweetness meets technology, and the result is nothing short of magical. This is more than just a place that bakes cupcakes. It's a place where craftsmanship, engineering, and creativity blend together in perfect harmony. The journey begins with the batter, the heart of every cupcake. Industrial mixers combine the freshest ingredients: finely milled flour, rich creamy butter, farm-fresh eggs, and just the right amount of sugar. Precision is key here. Every gram is measured by automated weighing systems to ensure every cupcake tastes exactly the same, no matter if it's the first of the day or the millionth. Mixing is done in carefully timed stages, first blending the dry ingredients, then folding in the liquids, and finally, a gentle whip to trap air for that perfect fluffy rise. Next, the batter flows through stainless steel pipes to automated filling machines. Each nozzle dispenses the exact amount of batter into each cup, no more, no less. Even the spacing is controlled, so the cupcakes have room to rise without sticking to each other. Inside these industrial ovens, temperatures are monitored to the degree. Too hot, and the tops will crack. Too cool, and the cupcakes won't rise. Here, heat is distributed evenly so every cupcake bakes to perfection. Within minutes, the batter transforms into soft, airy sponge, filling the air with the irresistible scent of freshly baked cake. Fresh from the oven, the cupcakes must cool naturally. Cooling too fast could make the sponge dry out. Here, slow and steady airflow removes excess heat while keeping moisture locked in. Now for the part everyone loves: decorating. Machines swirl frosting in shades of pink, blue, yellow, and mint green, each swirl perfectly consistent. The piping arms move with robotic precision, guided by digital sensors to create symmetrical, picture-perfect designs. Some things are still best done by hand: a sprinkle of rainbow sugar pearls, a dusting of edible glitter, or a single candy placed just right. Every batch is checked for quality. Color, texture, and decoration must all meet the factory's high standards before moving forward. Once perfect, the cupcakes are packaged in airtight containers to stay fresh during transport. From here, they'll be shipped to bakeries, supermarkets, and cafes all around the world. What started as a simple mix of flour, sugar, and butter will soon brighten someone's day, whether it's for a birthday, a party, or just a sweet moment with coffee. Behind every bite is a story of precision engineering, skilled craftsmanship, and a shared love for making life just a little sweeter. This is how cute, colorful muffin cupcakes are made in the heart of a modern dessert factory.